Now shifting focus to the battleground state of Bihar, where a fierce war of words has broken out between the Congress and the BJP after Sonia Gandhi's comment that the country's unity is in danger. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched a massive counter-offensive. At a rally in Purnia of Bihar today, Prime Minister Modi invoked the 1984 Sikh riots to hit back at charges of intolerance by the Congress. Addressing the rally in Purnia, Modi reminded the crowd that today was the anniversary of the anti-Sikh riots in 1984 and that the Congress is in no position to lecture on intolerance.
आज हमारी यह विरासत खतरे में है। ये बहुत दुख की बात है कि जिस विविधता ने हमें पहचान दी है और जिसने हमें दुनिया में अनोखा बनाया है, आज कुछ खास विचारधारा वाले संगठन और लोग उसका दुरुपयोग भारत के लोगों को आपस में बांटने के लिए कर रहे हैं।
आज 2 नवंबर है। 1984 का 2 नवंबर याद करो। 1984 का इंदिरा गांधी जी की हत्या के दूसरा दिन, तीसरा दिन, चौथा दिन दिल्ली में, हिंदुस्तान में सिखों का कत्लेआम चल रहा था। कत्लेआम किया जा रहा था। कांग्रेस पार्टी पर गंभीर आरोप लगे थे। कांग्रेस के नेताओं पर गंभीर आरोप लगे थे। और आज उसी 2 नवंबर को कांग्रेस पार्टी टॉलरेंस पर भाषण देने लगी है। अरे डूब मरो, आपको शोभा नहीं देता है। अभी भी उन सिखों के परिवारों के आंसू पोंछे नहीं गए हैं। अभी भी उस यातनाओं से जीने वाले लोगों को लोग कैसे भुला सकते हैं भाइयों। और आप एक ड्रामाबाजी कर रहे हो। आज 2 नवंबर है।
And in fact, the Congress has started reacting to this offensive by the Prime Minister. The PC Chako of the Congress has hit back and said that at least the Congress had apologized for 1984 riots, for which they were not to be blamed directly, but there was never an apology that came through for the Gujarat riots of 2002. Let's get in a word from our Deputy Editor Brajesh Pandey, who now joins us live from Delhi. Brajesh, what is the sense that you get from the BJP right now? Even while they claim that it is a development plank for them in Bihar, if the Prime Minister is invoking the 1984 riots, they're treading that thin edge where the Congress will hit back with the Gujarat riots once again.
Well, absolutely, and I don't think this particular invocation of 1984 riots has anything to do with Bihar politics. It is more hitting back at Congress, at centre, and also at most of these historians and writers who are returning award. And it is this the rising level of intolerance which the Prime Minister is hitting at. Remember, Smita, today the Congress President and Vice President Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are planning to go and meet President and petition him over the growing intolerance in Delhi. So this particular remark of Prime Minister is being seen more in this context than election in Bihar. As far as election in Bihar is concerned, Smita, development started, both political parties started with the word development, but it got immediately derailed once RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat made his famous reservation remark. And post then, we have seen a slew of accusations being hurled from both sides, with the talks of development being the most prominent casualty as far as elections in Bihar go. Smita?
Okay, clearly, and as in fact the assembly elections in Bihar draw to a close, the narrative now seems to be sinking low every day. But many thanks, Brajesh Pandey, for having joined us with that perspective. Now, as rising intolerance in the country becomes the subject of a heated political discourse, the Congress is also chalking out a strategy to attack the Modi government. Congress President Sonia Gandhi is planning on taking the fight on intolerance to Rashtrapati Bhavan, as Brajesh also just mentioned. And sources have told India Today that the Congress President will meet President Pranab Mukherjee at 6:30 this evening, while a delegation of the Congress Working Committee members and senior Congress leaders under Sonia's leadership will meet the President tomorrow at around 3:45 in the afternoon.